Is composite decking more expensive than wood? Composite decking is definitely more expensive than wood. Some people are really surprised by it. They think, well, isn't it recycled wood? Isn't it basically garbage recycled into deck boards? How could it be more expensive than wood? Well, the reality is it's a complex process manufacturing decking that is quality, that is long lasting, that doesn't fade in the sun. Even though many composite deck products do have recycled content, it's not recycling that you typically recycle. This is industrial recycled waste that is typically purchased by these factories. So by the time you manufacture the board, buy the components, and the shell of any composite deck product will be made with virgin PVC products that are very expensive, and obviously you want a material that's scratch resistant. So by the time you add all of the components that go in the manufacturing process, a composite deck board is more expensive than wood on average. Are there woods that are more expensive than composite? Yes. If you take a Brazilian hardwood like this, which would be Ipe or Kumaru, it will be more expensive than composite or PVC. But most wood products, such as a heat-treated wood that we have here, Luna wood, or your pressure-treated or cedar, will be less expensive. Why would you get composite decking if wood is more affordable? Well, the answer is simple. Wood requires maintenance. Regardless of what wood you install, unless you're okay with it going gray over time, and different woods will age differently, expect to spend a lot of time and effort on maintenance. And by the time you factor in those costs of continual maintenance, composite actually becomes less expensive over long term. If you're looking to save money long term, go with a composite deck.